This is the WeCharge station. WeCharge finally solves the problem all electric car owners have in common: finding a charging station reliably, anywhere in the world, anytime a recharge is needed. By connecting WeCharge station owners with electric vehicle drivers, no environmentally conscious driver will ever need to worry about running out of power again. It all starts right here with this self-assembled kit, the WeCharge station. A WeCharge station is a place where electric vehicles can recharge their cars utilizing the WeCharge app and network. Transactions for these EV charging stations occur automatically between users of the WeCharge app and the WeCharge station. The best part? There's no fees to own, just the initial cost of the station. When your WeCharge station arrives at your door, you'll go from box to charging EVs in no time. And by leasing any parking space to the tens of millions of electric cars which will soon be on the roads, anyone can be their own boss in the new energy economy. That's because anyone in the world who joins the WeCharge network can lease their parking and electric car charging station to anyone on the WeCharge network. We want the world to adopt alternative energies as fast as possible. And the more WeCharge owners there are, the faster we can make that dream possible. Whichever size WeCharge station you choose, you'll know you aren't just benefiting yourself, but the entire planet in generations to come. We at WeCharge think that's a pretty noble endeavor, and that's why we're proud to do what we do every day. The WeCharge station is just the first stage in our plan. In addition to the private network of WeCharge stations, the WeCharge app will make it easy for drivers to connect with all of the EV charging stations in existence. We've simplified a list of 100,000 stations already in public records into an easy-to-use map. What makes the WeCharge app so special for drivers is that it also connects them to privately owned charge stations for hire, which opens the door to a whole new world of charging station locations and lower prices. In large cities, you'll now be able to park and charge simultaneously within walking distance of your destination when you turn to WeCharge. While some WeCharge owners will utilize the station for their own electric vehicles and just want to reduce the cost of their setup, we also know there are good Samaritans who will charge nothing and just want to help our planet. WeCharge station owners broadcast to the WeCharge app how powerful their charging station is in kilowatt hours, and in this way have full control over how much their station automatically charges per minute. We started WeCharge not as a business, but as a platform. WeCharge is a catalyst for greater things, created by people like you. That's why we've always made our blockchain-backed technology open source. Join the WeCharge network today, and together, we can pioneer the new energy revolution.
This is an electric vehicle charging station, and I'm making money on this station using the power of the WeCharge platform. Ever seen a vending machine man or an ATM machine man? He goes into local businesses and he asks them for permission to set up shop. He doesn't actually own those businesses, but the ATM machine, the vending machine, he does own, and he makes money in a scalable way by going around asking for permission to set up shop. The WeCharge platform is no different. You too can set up your own small business or big business, doesn't matter, it's scalable, by going around asking for permission and setting up shop. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to go around to businesses, ask for permission to set up, call up WeCharge for support and have us install the station for you. Literally all you have to do is get permission from the business, and then after that, we help you to do all the rest. Here I am in front of a local gym. Patrons always park outside before they go in. Electric vehicle patrons would love to be able to have a full charge when they're done with their workout. And the gym owner likes it too, because that attracts unique clients. Let's go inside and ask the business owner for permission. Grocery stores, banks, gas stations, bookstores, anywhere you can imagine might be able to accept your charging station. But you're more likely with smaller shops. Big chains like Sam's Club, they're not really going to be very likely to accept you. So it's worth a shot, but I would focus on the smaller shops first. Although your chances of success will always be the highest if you physically go in to shake the business owner's hand, you can always find success using Craigslist or social media in order to get the word out. Why work alone? Our affiliate marketing program ensures that if you've got friends, you've got more ways to make income. You can even go around to existing charging stations. The Charge platform is completely compatible with stations such as this one, EVgo or wherever. ChargeCoin also accepts credit card, fiat currency, other cryptocurrencies, and so your customers' paying options are unlimited, and in that way, it's more powerful than any traditional credit card kiosk. Visit WeCharge.com today. All it takes is one WeCharge station to get started. Once you find out how easy it is to set up one WeCharge station with the help of the WeCharge staff, you'll want to have a second one, a third one, and eventually the world. That's because it's so scalable, there's no limit to how many WeCharge stations you can build. There is a limit. The limit is you getting started. If you don't get started with one, there can be no two. If there's no two, there can be no three. So build one today with our help, and I promise we'll help you. All you got to do is find business owners who want to set up shop with the WeCharge stations. Send them our way. We'll do the rest. You'll get a commission for it and keep on scaling it up until you hit the world, because we want to share in this with you. So get started today. We'll be there to help you. Get started today. Visit the WeCharge.com website right now to find out how easy it is to set up your own charging stations and to get helpful resources like our media kit and live chat support in order to get you started quickly today. What about this park? Look at all these parking spots. Ask your local government or city for permission to set up shop.